Wow, it's a long way down. Today we've got something pretty special to show you guys. So this is not out of Mad Max. I'd like to introduce you to Argos. We have a Chevy 2500. Now this vehicle has the lot. This couple's going to be touring Australia-wide, towing a caravan. As you can see, they've got the bull bar, they've got the big spotties up top, they've got the base rack. There are a set of 35 methods, the suspension and everything is being done on this car. But what they wanted to top it off was to put a train canopy on the back, and when they wanted the best train canopy on the market, they came to see us at XTS. Let's have a look inside. On Argos, we have a purpose-built train canopy setup for the USA market. So the tray, let's start there. It's 2.2 meters long and it's 2 meters wide. Now at the front, we've got a 900 headboard, so it's a little bit higher than your standard. Now at XTS, we've put a lot of research into this, and because we use them ourselves, we're constantly making improvements. In the headboard here, he actually has a 50-litre water tank there. Now those water tanks have recently been upgraded to stainless steel, so it's 100% drinkable, food grade without getting that metallic alloy taste. It's also got a built-in water pump there, which is pressurised to come out the outlet. Now you'll notice here, we've actually recessed the outlet back, so as you're driving along, you're not going to knock it off, and at the flick of a switch, you can turn it on, and you've got pressurised drinkable water there. Now, because of 2200 long, not only does it have our drawers at the back, you've also got a second side locker here. Now, it's not big enough to do the drawers that we're renowned for, but we've got extra seal there. It's fully boxed in, so you're not really going to get any dust in there at all. Right behind the whale tail lock. You've got our adjustable wheel guards, XTS mud flaps at the back, and of course, what we're known for is our drawers. Now, some people have said, why do you use the drawer? Well, quite simply, with the drop downs, they do tend to get a lot more dust in them. Not only that, from experience, every time I used to open it up, my snatch strap would fall out and I got sick of rolling it up. So the drawers completely solve that problem. As we move around the back here, you can see you've got your tie down points all the way along. But on the back here, we've actually got one of our flush mounted tie down points. Now, our entire product line is designed to be modular. So all of our trays come with 6 flush mounted tie down points. Now, when we've fitted the canopy to this beast of a rig, we've actually 4 screws to remove that tie down point, and the chassis, the canopy mounting plate goes on in its place, and that's threaded. So it's just bolt on and off from the top. As we move around the back, you'll notice it doesn't look like you've got a trundle drawer, and there's a big reason for that. We hate the look of the big handles at the back. It looks very agricultural and it's very dated. So behind here, you actually have the handle for your trundle. Now this flap is actually on a magnet. So if you're doing a bit of off-road work, you don't have to worry about it chattering either. So when we open that, you actually have a huge trundle drawer. I believe it's the biggest in the industry. Now they've gone the optional lid on top, which is great as an extra work area. We've got a lot of tradies that actually use it as a workbench as well. Now, when you open this up, it is massive. It is 1.8 meters deep. Now, I tend to cook off mine a lot, but you can never get level surface, so it's forever rolling in on you. To overcome this, we'll put a little trigger lock. Pull that out that last little bit, and it locks in position. Now, regardless of the terrain, it's not going anywhere, so you're able to utilize that area to its fullest potential. Pull it, in we go. Nice, not only is it concealed, but it's streamlined and it looks sexy. At the back here, you'll also see this big thing here. Now this is a flux relocation plate. So basically this Chevy has come with blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, rear camera. We've remounted all that using the Flux 3D remount bar. So everything that this came with factory is still in operation as he's using it, and it looks nice, neat and tidy. He's gone for the ladder at the back, spare wheel holder, put his massive 35-inch tyres there with his method wheels, and he's got a full lockable XTS jerry can holder on the side. As we move around this side, once again, you've got your drawer, you've got your drop down. Now in this drop down, we have the fuel filler. So that is actually lockable as well. Now, also, one of the improvements we've made in the last several months, we've actually put an extra reinforcing plate here to prevent headboard vibration. And what you see here, this is the filler cap for the water tank. Now, At the front here, you'll also notice you can't see the water tank because we've actually upgraded and put nice cover plates there just to finish the look of this rig off. On top of this 2200 USA tray, we've coupled it with a 2-metre canopy. Now, once again, purpose built for this USA tank, and it's 900 high. So it's a little bit more height and it's 2 metres wide. So it sits perfectly with the width of the rig. In front here, these people are travelling with quite a large fur baby. They've got a big German Shepherd. So they've done a dedicated area here just for the dog. Now they've done bigger cutouts here, which he's been able to get some nice little aftermarket curtains to put on there. So as they drive along and put his head out the window and see what's going on. Now, although it's a flat floor, we haven't run the UniStrut system through this, so it's going to be really easy for them to clean and maintain as well while they're travelling. In the back here, the benefit of going 900 high is we can get the 130 litre Bushman fridge in it. So you can load a lot of beers into that one. Now it is remote central locking. Now here, because we hire tradesmen, we're actually able to wire that through to the car. So instead of carrying multiple fobs, you lock your car, your canopy's locked. So you've got peace of mind and security. Now this obviously is all flat floor and we run a UniStrut system, but I'll show you on the other side the benefits of that. The benefit of the flat floor and the UniStrut system is not only is it allowed to be modular, so if they're traveling in 6 months time, they go, hey JC, I really want to get one of those drawers, they can just drop a little T-nut in, slide and bolt it. It also gives you the ability to put little tie-down hooks everywhere. So if they want to strap a gas bottle in here, if they want to hang some fishing rods up top, they can use this UniStrut system to do that very easily. Now, this here is a hell of a power system. They have gone for the Enerdrive Voyager system. As you can see, this is the duck's guts. This is the best one on the market and it has the highest capability and the highest output. So if you've got an American rig and you're looking to put a tray and canopy on it, as you can see with Argos, we know what we're doing. If you want to have a chat, come and see us, and hey guys, keep an eye out for this thing travelling around Australia.